Alright guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. This is Puente de la Amistad, going over the Rio Tempisque, right here in Costa Rica. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed some of that drone footage here of the bridge. We're standing right on it right now here on the main road, and it is very loud and very windy here. Cars just fly through here heading between Guanacaste and Highway 1. So you can see the really cool views here. So where we are is if we go this way, probably like 20 minutes, we'll be at Highway 1, and that is the road that goes north and south, the main road. And if we head this way 20 kilometers, we'll end up right near Nicoya. And Nicoya is where you'll, that's your main town near Samara. And if you continue on, you'll head up towards the Liberia International Airport. And we've done videos up that way before. So this is the bridge. It's a pretty cool bridge. It might be one of the biggest bridges. It's one of the bigger bridges for sure in Costa Rica. If you know for sure, let me know. And it's got really cool views. You can see the river down below, all the mangroves and everything. So in order to get here, if you're coming from this way, you'd probably be landing at the San Jose Airport. And you'd head up Highway 1 and make a break for the left, and you'll head down this way. And it's actually quicker to come across this bridge if you're going pretty much, I think, anywhere Tamarindo and south. So if you're heading from Tamarindo south, it's faster to take this way. But if you're heading north towards Playas del Coco, it's probably quicker to go along Highway 1. That's the new highway there. And if you're coming from the Liberia International Airport, and you'd like to see this bridge, it's a pretty cool thing to see. It adds a bit of time though. It's a bit longer from driving on Highway 1, but it's pretty cool to come here and you can check it out. You can check out all the views, maybe see a crocodile. We'll go walk down there and see if we can see a crocodile down there. So once again, this is the view of the bridge, and the water is looking pretty murky, so maybe there will be some crocodilios down there. Now there are tours here. The last time I was here, somebody was doing a tour, and there's a sign for tours here. I'll try to get a picture of that sign, so maybe figure out if you want to reach out in advance. And the last time there was a tour guide taking people around. They were all wearing like safety vests, and he was taking them around, telling them the history of the bridge. And I've also seen like little boats down there. So if you know anything about that, leave me a comment. There you go. Oh, okay. 886 411322. So that's the number. So if you want to, it's probably on WhatsApp. So if you do a 506 in front of that number right there, that'll probably get you information about the tours. And once again, as always, leave us a thumbs up here on this video. Hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Watch out for the crocodiles. And leave us a comment. This video is brought to you by comment. We got a comment requesting this location, so happy to do it as I can. Now the actual road down there is up around there. You can see these guys selling flakes. I think they call it flakes. I don't really eat it. It's like shaved ice cream. It's got sugar on it. Probably tasty. So I'm going to do the dangerous path. I'm known for danger. But you know, take the normal, be a normal person. I'm just trying to do this quick here. Cool. So here's the mangrove. So you can see that's probably what draws in a lot of cool animals, including crocodilos. Watch out for those. Watch out for those ones. I think somebody got hit by a crocodile up near Liberia a couple weeks ago. I don't know. I don't think he made it. So definitely watch out when you're down here. Keep an eye out for everything. Those crocodiles look like mud, so you don't want to get too close. All right, cool. So here is the water. So you can see pretty cool view of the bridge, right? It's pretty cool. And actually where you see the bridge connects, there's a huge lump there. So if you're driving across this bridge, take it slow because there's a big lump there. You don't want to mess up your suspension or anything like that. So leave us a comment with any of your questions, requests, any places you want us to visit before your vacation here in Costa Rica. Leave us a thumbs up, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Hope to see you soon here. Thanks for watching. Bye now.